Hey adventurers, welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews. If you're tired of heavy, bulky stoves slowing you down on the trail, you're in the right place. A great stove isn't just about boiling water, it's about freedom, hot meals anywhere, and keeping your pack light. Today, we're testing the best portable options to bring you the definitive list of the top 13 best lightweight camping stoves. We've cooked on everything from ultralight burners to powerful dual fuel systems. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. $9,000-watt camping stove. This Odoland stove is a power beast disguised as a portable unit. The 9,000-watt label isn't just for show. It boils a liter of water astonishingly fast, even in less than ideal conditions. It's incredibly simple to use. Screw on a standard butane canister, ignite the reliable piezoelectric lighter, and you have a roaring, adjustable flame. The fold-out pot supports are wide and stable, easily holding a larger pan. While not the absolute lightest, its power-to-weight ratio is fantastic. For car campers, group backpacking trips, or anyone who values a quick, hot meal without a long wait, this high-output burner is a top performer that delivers serious cooking confidence. WindMaster Ultralight Stove. The WindMaster lives up to its name. This is the stove you want when every ounce counts and the weather turns. Its unique recessed burner design is a game changer, providing incredible wind resistance that keeps a steady flame in breezy conditions where other stoves sputter out. It's feather light, compacting down to the size of a small tuna can, making it a dream for solo backpackers or thru-hikers. The precision control valve allows for a gentle simmer, a rare feature in ultralight stoves. It screws directly onto a fuel canister for a low, stable center of gravity. If your priority is reliable performance in any environment with minimal weight, the WindMaster is a stellar choice. The Caudblor Compact Camping Stove. The Caudblor is the definition of minimalist efficiency. This tiny, integrated canister-top stove is almost unbelievably small and light. You simply screw it onto your fuel canister and you're ready to cook. It has no frills, just a reliable, powerful burner with a simple on-off valve. I found it boiled water nearly as fast as much larger stoves. Its compact nature makes it perfect for emergency kits, motorcycle trips, or as a backup stove. The lack of built-in wind protection means you'll need to be strategic or use a windscreen. But for sheer space-saving portability and dead simple operation, the Caudblor is an outstanding and affordable piece of gear. ODSD Dual Burner Stove. When you're camping with family or a group, a single burner just doesn't cut it. Enter the ODSD Dual Burner. This portable powerhouse gives you two independent high-output burners with individual control knobs, letting you boil pasta while simmering sauce simultaneously. The foldable legs provide a stable cooking platform, and it runs on standard disposable propane cylinders. While it's firmly in the car camping weight class, its folding design makes it relatively compact for transport. For tailgating, base camp cooking, or anyone who loves to make elaborate camp meals, this dual burner stove transforms your picnic table into a fully functional outdoor kitchen. Portable Dual Burner Stove. This generic-named dual burner is a fantastic value-packed alternative. It offers similar two-burner convenience with a focus on simplicity and durability. The stainless steel burners are easy to clean, and the overall construction feels robust. The integrated carry case doubles as a windbreak, which is a clever design touch. It connects to a large propane tank with a hose, usually included, or small cylinders with an adapter, offering fuel flexibility. It heats up quickly and provides even, consistent heat. If you need the functionality of two burners for group meals, but want to spend a bit less without sacrificing core performance, this portable stove is a workhorse. Bestfire Power Stove. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Bestfire packs a serious punch. This single-burner stove features a unique focused flame design that directs heat with intense efficiency, leading to remarkably fast boil times. It's incredibly stable, with 3 wide, folding legs that provide a solid base even on uneven ground. The built-in piezo ignition works flawlessly, and the wide pot supports handle larger cookware securely. It runs on standard butane canisters and folds into its own hard plastic case for protection. For solo adventurers or couples who want a fast, reliable, and sturdy stove that's still highly portable, the Bestfire is a powerful contender. The Odoland Camping Stove Set. This Odoland set is the ultimate all-in-one starter kit for new campers. It includes not just a reliable, powerful burner, but also a versatile pot-pan set, 2 plastic bowls, and even utensils. The stove itself performs well with a stable base and good wind resistance from its circular design. The included non-stick pots are surprisingly decent quality. The whole kit nests together neatly into a carrying bag. While seasoned backpackers might pick individual gear, this set offers incredible value and convenience for families, casual campers, or anyone wanting a complete cooking system in one simple purchase. It takes the guesswork out of gearing up. Windproof high-power stove. This stove's name tells you exactly what it's about. Its key feature is a large circular windproof ring that surrounds the burner, creating a protective zone for the flame. I tested it on a breezy lakeshore, and it maintained a strong, consistent boil while other stoves struggled. The burner output is high, and the stainless steel construction feels durable. It folds down flat and includes a handy carry pouch. It's slightly heavier than bare-bones burners, but that's the trade-off for its wind-defying capability. If you often camp in exposed, windy areas and prioritize a guaranteed flame, this windproof design is a lifesaver. InFood Compact Butane Stove. The InFood is a fantastic middle ground stove. It's more substantial than a tiny canister-top stove, offering greater stability and a larger burner head, yet it remains very compact and portable. The folding legs provide a wider, more secure footprint for larger pots. It features a reliable piezo igniter and a precise flame control knob that allows for a true simmer, perfect for cooking meals beyond just boiling water. It's an ideal choice for backpackers who want a bit more cooking versatility and stability without venturing into heavy territory. For weekend trips and gourmet backpacking, the InFood hits a sweet spot of features, size, and performance. Fire Maple Fixed Star Stove. The Fire Maple Fixed Star is a professional-feeling piece of kit. It's a remote canister stove, meaning the burner is connected to the fuel canister by a flexible hose. This lowers the center of gravity dramatically, making it extremely stable for large pots and skillets. The burner is wide and provides an even, diffuse heat, perfect for actual cooking. The piezo ignition is reliable, and the flame control is superb. While it's not the lightest option, its stability and cooking performance are unmatched in the canister stove world. For serious camp chefs, small group feeding, or winter camping where stability is critical, the Fixed Star is a top-tier tool. Foldable Butane Camp Stove. This stove is all about clever, space-saving design. The entire unit, including the legs and pot supports, folds into a slim, self-contained case that's barely larger than the butane canister itself. It's incredibly easy to pack in a backpack or a glove box. Unfolded, it provides a surprisingly stable platform. The burner is efficient and lights easily. The primary advantage here is the ultra-neat packing and the protection the case offers. It's great for backpackers who are meticulous packers, for keeping in a vehicle for emergencies, or for anyone who values an exceptionally tidy and compact storage solution above all else. WADEO Propane Camp Stove. The WADEO is a rugged, reliable, single-burner stove built for durability and simplicity. It connects directly to a standard 1-pound propane cylinder, a fuel source known for its consistent performance in colder temperatures compared to butane. The construction is mostly stout metal, feeling like it can take a knock. The grate is sturdy and wide. It lacks some finesse, the flame control is basic and there's no built-in igniter, so you'll need a lighter, but it gets the job done reliably. For hunters, cold weather campers, or those who prefer the widespread availability of propane, the WADEO is a no-nonsense, dependable workhorse. Gas 1 Dual Fuel Stove.
We end with the ultimate fuel flexibility champion, the Gas One Dual Fuel Stove. This unique stove can run on both butane and propane fuel canisters with a simple adapter, often included. This is a huge advantage for fuel availability in different regions, or for camping in colder weather where propane performs better. The stove itself is powerful, with a good simmer range and a stable base. The ability to use whichever fuel is cheapest or most convenient gives you unparalleled adaptability. For travelers, preppers, or campers who venture into varied climates, the Gas One eliminates fuel anxiety and makes you ready for anything.
And that's our complete tour of the top 13 best lightweight camping stoves. From ultralight wonders to powerful group cookers, there's a perfect flame for every adventure. Let us know in the comments which one fits your next trip. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Gadget Reviews and hit the bell for more gear showdowns. For updated pricing and links to all these stoves, check the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next trail.